Welcome back to Quick Review Zone, where we test out the coolest gadgets and tools for everyday life. Looking for a powerful way to deep clean your home or car? Check the first link in the description for the latest deals on this 2,500 watt high-temperature handheld steam cleaner. This steam cleaner packs an impressive 2,500 watts of power, delivering high-temperature and high-pressure steam that cuts through dirt, grease, and stubborn stains in seconds. It's designed for multiple uses, from air conditioners and kitchen hoods to bathroom tiles, floors, and even car interiors. Thanks to its portable handheld design, it's easy to maneuver while still being strong enough for tough cleaning jobs. If you've been looking for a way to sanitize surfaces without harsh chemicals, this machine is a game changer. And of course, you can find it on AliExpress and also on Amazon. Just check the link in the description for more details. If you enjoyed this quick review, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Quick Review Zone for more gadget discoveries. Remember, the link is in the description for price, availability, and current discounts. See you in the next review.